You guys, I'm at Lowe's right now, somewhere in Huntersville. I don't have my microphone, so there's lots of loud noise, but I'm gonna say this before I go inside. Welcome to another plant shopping vlog. My hair is wet. Let's go see what they have inside.
And she didn't tell us that for a year.
There is an abundance of plants here. Hopefully you all can hear me. There's some guy doing yard work outside. Philodendron, $4.98. All of the common houseplants are here for you to choose from. Thank you all for giving me feedback in the comments, like if I'm moving too fast or if my camera's not focused. It definitely helps me make better videos. We do have golden pothos up here and some design ivy. Another Hartley philodendron. This one's super full. $6.98. 15 ounce. So the other one must be like 12 ounces or something. Hanging planters. Bug biting plants. Different air plants. Live trend air plants with their own stands, like a little log wood stump. More traditional plants or common house plants here. Was this Ingrid Liz ivy? If you're new here, I am on the search for Algerian ivy right now. So if you know where I can find some at, let me know. Lots of different types of ivy. Peace lilies. I don't really have good luck with peace lilies. Are they low light? Or do they need like medium light? I'm shooting this video right before I go to get my permanent retainer removed because it broke when I was in Texas. So yeah, there's that. Hopefully I'll be able to talk after this appointment, because I want to record my February favorites video. Oh, Pamela ivy. I've never seen that. That's nice. Oh, what's this? Haven't seen this one in the stores. Somebody, Anaya Starburst. Pretty. The Palea friendship plant. These are usually not here. How much is this? Sharing plant, $15. 1.4 quart. Yeah, he's gorgeous. It's such a beautiful doll over there. He's a Burmese mixed with a poodle. Look at him. Oh, the shingling vine. Rhapsidoria. It's a shingling plant. I've always wanted one of these. They seem to have a nice selection of them. For $19.98, Costa Farms. Oh, I have some. Pretty. The dogs are greeting each other. Here's our live trends end cap, where fusing nature and art is the goal. Now this is nice. What is this? It's some type of philodendron. They don't usually put the name or the type of the variety. They put like the type of plant it is, and then special to let you know it's a special type of variety. Hopefully my voice is picking up. It's loud in here. But since I don't have my microphone, I'm trying to be as loud as possible. We have some snake plants. Some bonsai trees. What's this? It says assorted foliage. It looks very sparse, whatever it is. Like a curly hurricane dracaena. More dracaenas. Dracaenas, snake plants, succulents, the air plant situations. Over here we have some lemon lime philodendrons. It comes with a decorative planter. Live Trends, how much is it? For $16.98. Wow, look at this umbrella plant or umbrella tree. That's beautiful. That looks so healthy. 16 or 15.98, I think it says. It looks so good. Here we have some really cute air plants, lots of snake plants, a special peperomia. Now that's cute. What is this? Probably just says peperomia SP. Yeah. More urban jungle planters and plants. These black ones right here, I haven't seen these before. They're really nice though. Or the white ones, those are new planters, hanging planters. Up top we have like an abundance of green pothos. I haven't really paid attention to if they have lots of ferns, but this one's super, super healthy. I will say the plants at this location are definitely thriving and doing really well. It looks like they've changed the prices on their planters, or the ones with the decorative planters. Ficus burgundy. I think this one's called something different, like gem or something. Can't remember. Yellow gem, ficus burgundy, grapefruit or something like that. It's so loud in here, y'all. Oh, I think I see a clearance section. So yeah, here's just like an overview of the plants that are usually here at Lowe's. I have the Sago Palm. I've been wanting one of these, but I didn't know like where or what size to get it in. $14.98. There's tons of them. I think this one's, how much is this one? Oh, let me see. $14.98, so they're the same price. Just different type of planters. Different money trees, ferns and ivies. Those dogs are getting intense back there. I think this is called Photonium. Very fickle plant. More Sago Palms, like there's tons of them. Hopefully I can get some. Oh, these are $13.98. Hopefully I can get some on clearance. Here we have, as I say clearance, here we have the clearance section. Here's the price list. Lots of anthuriums are on clearance. We have a golden pothos. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be there. There's tons of snake plants. Let's see, there's tons of snake plants as well. Looks like they're in really good condition. I just bought a snake plant the other day though, so I don't need one of those. If it was small, I'd pick it up. Oh, look at this. I think this is some type of like red variety of the Photonium. If you listen, it's definitely like dry. It loves humidity, like high humidity. $9.98. $4 for this. Got this one. I don't know how much it is, but I'm sure it's on clearance. And then plants up here. I think that's just an empty planter back there. Should I? They have the large golden pothos. 15 gallons for $15. Good price. Hartley Philodendron. Marble Queen pothos. Tons of lucky bamboo or dracaena. What's some hanging planters? Some scindapsus. Now that the dogs are gone, it got so quiet in here. Ivies. Anthuriums. What are these things about? Highlight alta luz. They're highlight within 1 to 5 inches or feet of a window. 1 to 3 hours of morning sunlight if they're outdoors. Keep the soil moist. Don't let them stand in water. Promise I can re-fertilize every 2 to 4 months. I mean, they are nice to look at. And I do like, oh, see, look at the different colors. Maybe one day I'll get one of those. I had an aglaonema, but it had the nursery pots like planted in with it, and I didn't know until it was too late. Fern, golden pothos. This ivy's super healthy. What a fun thing to do before your dentist appointment. Neon pothos, bonsai trees. I wonder what the next trend for the planters is going to be. Right now it's like very terracotta. Now it's black and white. Very minimal colors. I wonder if for summertime, if we're going to see like bright colored planters. I haven't seen these since I was in California. Has a really cool vessel with it. How much is this? $24.98. Let you lift this up. That's in there. I guess you could water it from the bottom. But we have some snake plant arrangements. I like this. This would be so good on a front porch. It's always funny when you get a plant that has paint on it. $40. I wish I could get that on clearance. For $20, I'd do it. Here in the center of the nursery, we have Marantas, or Calatheas, the peacock plant. So this is a Calathea, not a Maranta. I think I actually can tell the difference between the two now that I think about it. Fiddle leaf figs, snake plants, dracaenas, Dracaena marginatas, palms. What kind of palm are they? Pygmy date palms right here in front of me. Dracaena marginatas again. Mascanes. More Dracaena marginatas, more mascanes. We also have some plants over back there, so that's where we're headed now. Here we have Dieffenbachias. Looks like these are like two different varieties of Dieffenbachias, or either that's just a mature one. We have the yucca canes, mature. I know who you are, peace lilies. This is one of my favorite plants from when I was a kid. We have some more crotons. Am I saying those right? Every time I say that, I feel like, am I saying it right? Petrocroton. So crotons, yeah. The special philodendrons. Are they like split leaf philodendrons? Look at the leaf. Look at my hand. And look at the leaf. Gigantic. I think this is like a banana or palm or something. What are you called? Look at the leaf. Look at the leaf. Ooh, wow. I'm on stairs that are super mature. You can tell they're mature because they have them like on the trellis right here. Mature fiddle leaf figs and some mature marginy palms, I believe. Or majesty. These are majesty palms. But we have some succulents on the other side. Let's check out the succulents. String of bananas, elephant ears. Tons and tons of succulents. It's a massive jade plant for $12. Like, it's huge. Do they have mini string plants? Fish hooks. Guess that's a string of fish hooks or something. String of bananas. The elephant ear. I think the banana and the fish hook might be the same thing. Yeah, I don't really see any plants that I like today. Ow. Of course, I always get stuck by a yucca. Is it a plant trip if I'm not getting stuck by a yucca tree? Yeah. Right now I'm feeling like the shingle vine and the friendship plant. These are the ones that I want to purchase, but I know with the Palea friendship plant, I can't keep it alive. I don't know what's the deal with it. The shingling plant, I feel like I could. I don't know. I might have to think about it while I'm at the dentist. I'm probably gonna think about it while I'm at the dentist and then maybe come back. Yeah, so that's the plant shopping for the day.